Bitcoin money fundamentally basically has a medium-term obstruction at $119.28, or so they entirely the most part thought in a significant manner. BCH United States dollar exchanges closed $247.09 in a very beautiful significant manner, which is genuinely huge. BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA 20, which all things considered, explicitly is very huge, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. The actually certainly current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money explicitly is at $148,995,215, or so they for the most part thought in an unpretentious manner. 30 October 2023, in this video we will sort of walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for kind of truly 1 week from now, and explicitly fundamentally attempt to answer these much of the time, essentially especially sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what entirely is in every practical sense, momentary cost expectation for Bitcoin money. For the most part basically is BCH an actually genuinely wise speculation, which certainly explicitly is very huge, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money support and opposition levels and so on in an unpretentious manner and in every practical sense, significant way. In any case, prior to plunging exceptionally sort of profound into the BCH specialized examination, fundamentally for the most part let us especially in a real sense discuss the truly current economic situations, or so they truly thought in a huge manner. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there quite was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the reasonably fundamentally whole digital currency market to $1,276,444,521,247 in an actually genuinely large manner, or so they sort of thought. The truly complete exchanging volume especially really remains at $33,863,355,643 in a genuinely beautiful significant manner, which certainly is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 52.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part certainly has a predominance of 16.33% in a sort of huge manner amazingly. Which especially explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,555.20 level after a vertical development of 0.98%, kind of especially further appearance how 30 October 2023. In this video we will in a real sense by and large walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for reasonably kind of the following week, and especially certainly attempt to answer these much of the time, especially explicitly clarified some pressing issues, facts, what most certainly sort of is truly momentary cost expectation for Bitcoin money. Generally really is BCH a very wise venture, or so they most certainly sort of thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, especially has seen a cost increment of 1.34%, coming to $1,813.34 during the past 24 hours in an actually genuinely huge manner in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $228.02, following a value change of 1.03% inside a similar time period in an unpretentious manner, which sort of is very critical. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP for the most part really is up by 0.86 and at present exchanging at 56 cents in an especially sort of large manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 52.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum very has a predominance of 16.33% in a beautiful kind of significant manner, which for the most part is very huge. These occasions sort of demonstrate that the market in every practical sense is going in a fundamentally descending course for actually essentially present moment, most certainly genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, an especially broad by and large fundamentally bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum essentially explicitly, has seen a cost increment of 1.34%, coming to $1,813.34 during the past 24 hours, or so they for the most part thought. Bitcoin money backing and obstruction backing and opposition especially truly are significant specialized markers used to in every practical sense, especially recognize actually commonly key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, which generally especially is very critical. Support generally by and large is a level at which purchasers truly become sort of genuinely something else in every practical sense, truly dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting that the essentially truly all-out exchanging volume certainly remains at $33,863,355,643 in a sort of significant manner and a fundamentally huge manner. Similarly, obstruction in a real sense fundamentally is a level at which dealers in a real sense commonly become move reasonably kind of dynamic and very prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they generally thought in a by and large significant manner. Following entirely are the help and opposition levels of Bitcoin money, BCH, Bitcoin money execution. The especially truly current Bitcoin money cost generally sort of is $247.09. With an exchanging volume of $148,995,215 in the very beyond 24 hours, showing how support explicitly in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers most certainly in a real sense become reasonably genuinely more actually fundamentally dynamic and in a real sense certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting that the truly in every practical sense all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $33,863,355,643 in a sort of quite large manner, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Right now, BCH especially fundamentally is up by 0.47% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $4,829,398,502 United States dollars, so Bitcoin money basically truly has a medium-term obstruction at $119.28, which vary all plans and intentions is genuinely critical, which especially is genuinely huge. Bitcoin Money Value Investigation BCH Cost Examination for 30 October 2023 inside a by and large sort of everyday time period, generally especially made sense of beneath, which explicitly fundamentally is very critical, or so they sort of thought. We utilize entirely relative strength index RSI, moving kind of especially normal combination and difference, MACD. Backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including sort of straightforward moving in every way that really matters. Truly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving very normal, EMA, to by and large in a real sense, dissect the future development of the Bitcoin money, so which all things considered, brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,555.20 level after a vertical development of 0.98%, entirely further appearance how 30 October 2023. In this video we will especially certainly walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for the most part, especially 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to answer these regularly generally certainly got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what in every practical sense, sort of is quite momentary cost expectation for Bitcoin money. Sort of explicitly is